Kaylin, who are all the people in your family? That's right. And what's our last name? Your name is Kaylin. Kaylin what? Kaylin McElray. Yeah, that's your family. What are our kitties' names? Mally and Sophie. Are those Mally and Sophie grapes?
No.
Do they say meow?
No.
No. What are they?
Kitty cat.
They're kitty cats, Sophie and Mally.
A Sophie.
Does Nana have any animals at her house? Who lives at Nana's house? Chauncey and? Cruzy. What kind of an animal is Chauncey? What's Chauncey? A dog? A doggy? What's Cruz? Ooh. Bye, Kaylin. Hi, Avery. Hi, Aves. Yay. Yay for Avery Sam. Yay. Where did your brother go? Where's Kaylin? Where's Kaylin? Bye-bye, Avery.